In lesson 7.2, we're going to start with combining like terms. Now, we did this a little bit yesterday when we were reviewing for this chapter. Like terms are terms that look exactly alike. They're the same kind of terms. They are, in this case, the x terms. So here's a model just to show you what like terms look like. On this side, on the left side of the equation, you have 3x's and positive 7. And then on this side, you have positive 16. So, if this looks like 2x plus 7 plus 1x, when you have like terms, you can add them together. Okay? You can add all of these x's together to make 3x plus 7. Okay? Combine these like terms so that you can simplify this side before starting to solve. You want to simplify each side separately before you start to solve it. Otherwise, you'd have to add a negative x, or you have to do these things separately, and it doesn't make sense to do that. You want to simplify first, combine or add the things that you can add, and then start to isolate the variable. Okay? Finish copying this. While you're finishing copying this, I'm going to give you your worksheets. It says x equals 3. Okay, look at the worksheet. In the first question, it has a number outside of parentheses. So in this one, and we did one like this today, number 1, 3 times a minus 4 equals 9. Okay? Okay, listen. I'm going to come back to the notes and let you copy those, but I want to show you this and let those of you that are ready get started on this, okay? So, what do we do with the 3? What do we need to do with the 3? Sam?
We do 3 times a and then 3 times 4.
Close. 3 times negative 4. 3a plus
negative 4. It doesn't matter if it's plus negative 4 or just minus fraction.
Yes, it does. Yep, it does. Because if you're combining like terms, Max, you have to have the plus sign and not the minus sign. You can't switch around subtraction, but you can switch addition, which is why you need to insert a plus sign, okay? And then you get like negative 12. So that you can add it to something else if you need to. I don't know. I've been talking about inserting a plus sign ever since we started adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers last year. Okay? So, insert a plus sign, multiply it, it's equal to negative 12, and this is called the distributive property. Because you're distributing this number over the parentheses, okay? Look at number 2. n plus 5n equals 30. What can you do with the n and 5n first, Maddie? Can you add these two together? Do they look alike?
Yes, they do.
Yeah. So what is that? No, what is n plus 5n? N's. This is 1n plus 5 more n's is 6 n's. So 6 n's plus 30, equals 30. And then solve it. Asa? Yep. Well, how do we prove it?
30 divided by 6.
30 divided by 6 and 6 divided by 6. So you have to get the variable by itself when you prove it, okay?
Yeah, you need
So 1n, or just n, equals 5. Okay? Okay. So with this worksheet, you're going to practice combining like terms and solving, and then go back to the other side and practice some solving equations, okay?